get you the very latest which is coming in that unfortunate death of a young girl in a school in Salem. 2,000 protesters, 13 buses, remember, were also set fire, and police officials were injured in the stone pelting that followed this death. Now, in the midst of it all, we've seen Tamil Nadu witness violence at the residential school yesterday. Now, the commotion triggered off after a class 12 student was found dead on Wednesday. The kin of the deceased girl have alleged that it was foul play, as 7 deaths were previously reported in the same school. And now the mother of the deceased girl has moved the Madras High Court seeking justice. Well, during the hearing, the Madras High Court has ordered a second round of autopsy and has directed the state government to form a special team as well to track down those people who had indulged in violence. So let me go across to Harini, who's joining us with more details on this. Harini, you've spoken to the mother as well, and it's heart-wrenching what the parents must be going through. But it's very significant, the kind of allegations that they have made that against the school, that this is not the first time. There are already 7 deaths which the school has tried to cover up in the last few years itself by bribing off state officials. Any grounds for that charge?
Well, the mother of the victim, she is alleging that this is not the first, such instance happening in the private school, and that already, over 6 such instances have happened already. So that's what the mother is telling. But on the other hand, the school management is refusing, such allegations. They are telling that they are providing a safe environment to the students. But as far as this girl's, suicide is concerned, the particular school's teaching environment and the, administrative, functioning itself has come under a big question here. In fact, right now, a CBCID inquiry has been ordered into this incident, and the Madras High Court has also ordered for a re-postmortem of that of the 12th standard student. So here, the mother, on the other hand, she's alleging that when she looked at the body of the girl in mortuary, there were several blood marks, and that there was also a huge blood mark on her head. But when she came to the school and looked at the spot where the girl is said to have fallen off, there is not even one drop of blood there. So she is putting forth 2 contrasting situations here. She is alleging that there's blood on her daughter's body when she saw it in the mortuary, but on the other hand, there's not even a single drop of blood there, where the girl is said to have fallen off. So,
right.
Two contrasting situations here.
That's very interesting what you are telling us. Dharini, do stay on with us. In fact, let's listen in to the exact allegations that the mother has spoken to Times Now exclusively and has revealed.
வீழ்ந்ததுமே பாத்தீங்கன்னாக்க இப்படி அப்படியே இந்த டிஸ்டன்ஸ் தள்ளியே விழலாங்க, விழறவங்க குதிக்கிறவங்க அப்படியே ஒரு இது சமநிலையில வீழற மாதிரியே வீழ்ந்தாங்க. அப்படி வீழ்ந்தவங்களையே கூடங்க நான் போயிட்டு பாப்பாவை ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பார்க்கக்குள்ள ஸ்ட்ரக்சரில் இவ்வளோ ரத்தம் இருந்ததுங்க. ஆனால் பாப்பா இந்த இடத்த தான் வீழ்ந்தான்னு சொல்ல இடத்துல ஒரு சொட்டு ரத்தம் இல்லைங்க.
Well, let me go across to Dharini. Dharini, what is the school saying in the midst of it all? Because the suicide note allegedly has blamed 2 of the teachers. Was the administration aware of this problem that the girl has faced? Were there steps which were taken? What is their complicity as alleged by the parents?
Right now, 3 people, the school secretary, correspondent and principal, they've been arrested by the police in relation to this case, and the further investigations are also on. But one complaint that we are continuously hearing from the victim's mother is that as soon as they learned that their daughter had committed suicide, they tried to communicate with the school management to know what exactly happened. They had a lot of questions in their mind because of course she is telling that their daughter never complained of anything regarding the school. So all of a sudden they're hearing that their daughter had committed suicide, and of course they had a lot of questions in their mind, and they wanted the school management to answer all of those questions. So one of course those questions.
Absolutely. In fact, do stay on with us as several of these questions are being raised. Let me go